Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 61 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing from today is System Verilog. Today's topic will be System Verilog data types. Because when you start learning any language, be it C, C++, Java, any language, you have to start with data types. Same we will follow for System Verilog. Here are today's question. In Verilog, you would have seen there is reg and wire. In System Verilog, we have one more data type which is logic. You need to explain the difference between logic, reg and wire. Then in System Verilog, we have logic as well as we have bit. What is the difference between logic and bit? In System Verilog, we have two state variables. What is the difference between two state and four state variables? Explain this with some examples. Write a code for two state variable, write a code for four state variable, and try to execute that code and explain. We have integer data type in System Verilog and we have int. What is the difference between these two? Say you want to represent a to the power b in System Verilog. How are you going to do that? What is the difference between pass by value and pass by reference? Explain this also with the help of coding example. What are various types of arrays in System Verilog? We have lots of arrays in System Verilog. What are the different types? Then explain the difference between packed and unpacked array with the help of coding example. We have dynamic array, we have associative array in System Verilog. Explain these two arrays with example and explain the difference between them. The second question is about difference. If you want to assign elements in an array, you want to assign values to elements in an array, how can you do it? Explain it with the help of coding example. We have queues in System Verilog. Explain this queues data type in System Verilog along with its method. Queues has a lot of methods. Explain it with the methods and with a coding example. Solve these questions today and tomorrow I am going to see you for day 62 challenge. Best luck.